how do you judge when the market is really at the lowest? Like on Tuesday, when Nancy Polesi visited Taiwan, the market bam crashed.
Right.
Okay, and I think that makes a good case when that you can buy on the dip. But this doesn't happen all the time, but it does sometimes happen. But also remember, for the past 10 years, every time the Hang Seng Index reaches something like 30,000, it will fall 10,000 points.
Right.
Remember that. So that is a pattern you have to remember. So I think this is based on market sense or a little bit of technical analysis. For sure, you can do it, but nobody knows when the market's at the highest or the lowest.
Right. Okay, but most of the time when we see, say, when it's 30,000 or at a high point,
Yeah.
there are always rumors that, oh, we're looking at 50,000.
Yeah, everybody said that. Somebody said 40,000 or 50,000, but
Right.
don't trust them. Something will go wrong.